Hello, welcome to FountainFX on Wednesday the 10th of September 2014. Just sharing with you a trade that I took earlier on today. It's the Euro Aussie dollar. We're looking at a 5-minute chart at the moment. Basically, European Open here, pushed price all the way up. I was busy this morning doing other things, so I waited for the US Open, which happened here. Price reached a high at the 141.85, I think it is, 141.85, ran there. Basically started to pull back. I was running a counter trend line on here just to see when it would actually break that. It didn't break, it kept pushing lower and lower and lower. With the US Open at this point here, basically I just sat and waited for this US Open with the close of this candlestick because it wasn't getting any higher. It didn't come up to the high of here and the high of there. It showed that price wanted to go down. Also it broke below this previous low here. So despite the fact that initially I was looking for a long, it was pretty obvious that it was shorting. I basically took a trade at this point. So you see where the dotted line is, that's where I got my fill. My entry was there and price fell from there. It's pushed all the way down. I'm roughly at the moment, so if I show you my entry price was 141.50 and 0.9 of a pip. And I've got moved my stop loss to 141.16, so worst case I'm going to bank 34 points of profit. I have actually put in a take profit right the way down the bottom here, for in case price does break through this area where there's noise. It seems to be struggling a little bit, but it doesn't seem to be pushing up. So I've got my stop just above this area, this previous high. It is struggling to get down though, but it does seem to keep creating lower lows. So we will see what happens with the close of this candlestick. If it does push up, then it may be a case of time for me to close my trade. But if you can see at the moment, we're currently running just under $4,000 worth of profit. I did take a trade this morning where it sort of pushed up against me prior to this when I was looking for the break, and it didn't happen. So I closed that trade very quickly. Less than $1,000 loss on that particular one. But as you can see, if you just quickly flick the trade, switch it, you can see that it wasn't pushing up, it was showing some weakness, and so therefore I'm now running a very nice profit. So back up to $4,000. It doesn't seem to want to push up or break this previous high, so I'm still going to stay with this trade for the time being. And that's really it from FountainFX. So this is the kind of thing you can do once you understand the difference between strength and weakness and being able to spot it. So happy trading from us, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.